So every course has its signature experiment that it's done. And the one that we do in my course is being in the middle of a thunderstorm that's being given off. This demonstration is going to be of what it's like to be in the middle of a thunderstorm. We do it in a way that allows us to learn a lot about chemistry. We can learn about gases and liquids. Looking at this, we can learn about phase changes looking at this. We can do lots of thermodynamics too associated with it. But mostly what we're going to do right now is have a lot of fun with it. We're going to experience what it's like being right in the middle of a giant thunderstorm. What are thunderstorms? It's when cold air from Minnesota comes down and meets up with moist, wet air from the Gulf of Mexico. To represent this, I've got liquid nitrogen here, which is at about minus 200 degrees, and I'm going to be pouring it into each of these different containers, and that's what you see happening right here. They're already full and ready to go. What the students behind me are going to do is dump a bunch of boiling hot water into the liquid nitrogen. If you count the number of containers, there are actually 5 of them. This is a pentuple thunderstorm. We've never done one this large. It's going to be exciting to watch it happen. It's really pretty simple. Minus 200 degree air meets 100 degree water. That 300 degree difference in 5 different containers. For all of us, we're going to be standing in the middle of that thunderstorm. If they're careful about it, and they don't breathe for a while, because there's not going to be any air to breathe, they can experience what it's like to be out there in the middle of it. I, on the other hand, am going to be standing right in front of it, and I'm going to feel the full experience of the thunderstorm. So is everybody ready behind me? Pick up your boiling hot water, and as you do it, remember to pour it straight down into the liquid nitrogen and not onto me or to each other. All right? You all got it? Remember, it's going to be 3, 2, 1, now. Are you all set? Yes. Don't panic. Nothing stupid. Here goes. 3, 2, 1, now. Is everybody okay? And that's a pentuple thunderstorm. Thank you.